guys, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken pickle. So let's go into the video. To make chicken pickle, you need boneless chicken. I'm using 1 kg and also I've cut it into really small pieces. So if you want to, you can cut it into a bit larger pieces. And also oil, salt, turmeric, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, ginger garlic paste, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Today I'm showing you the measurement for 1 kg chicken. You can alter them based on the quantity of your chicken. To marinate 1 kg of chicken, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And then you have to mix it properly. After mixing it properly, you need to leave it for half an hour. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the masala powder ready. To make the masala powder, let's first turn on the stove and then add the cinnamon, about 10 cloves and 5 cardamom, and let's roast it lightly. Once it's lightly roasted, let's add the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Fry it on a low flame and turn it off when the color changes slightly. After it cools down, blend it to make a fine powder. Now that the chicken is marinated, let's see how to fry the chicken. I'm using 300 ml oil for 1 kg chicken. So firstly, you need to turn on your stove and add your oil to the pan. After it's heated, you need to add your chicken. I'm adding it as half kg separately. This is how the chicken looks like when it's frying. Keep the flame on medium to high or it'll take too long. You need to fry it until all the water evaporates and the chicken turns into a brown color. Once the chicken is fried, it should look like this. Then you need to take your chicken into a separate bowl and add your second batch. After all your chicken is fried, put your stove on low flame and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to the same oil. You need to fry this ginger garlic paste for 1 or 2 minutes. Once the ginger garlic paste is fried, you need to add your chicken. After we added the chicken, we need to add 3 tablespoons of the masala powder that we made. After adding the masala powder, you need to add salt and chili powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can adjust them to your taste. After adding the salt and chili powder, you need to fry it for 5 minutes on a low flame. After 5 minutes, you need to turn off the stove and let it cool completely. After the chicken completely cools down, you need to add either vinegar or lime juice. Today I'm using lime juice, so I've taken 3 big sized limes. Now that the chicken is completely cooled down, I'm going to add the lime juice and mix it well. After mixing it well, you need to take it into a jar, preferably a glass jar. Tasty chicken pickle is ready. Keep it in the fridge and try to eat it within 2 months as it is a non-veg pickle. It will be tastier if you eat it after 2 days. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.